Hi, I'm going to present you our Mendix project, and this is our first live demo. So here we are in the administrator page, and we have to log out and log in as our patient Peter Sanders. Here we log in as Peter Sanders, and here we can see the link to the survey, so we click on that. Here we answer the questions. And if we don't answer one question and click on save, an error page comes up and it shows that we have to fill in all the questions. So we do that. And here the group that we have been referred to is rehabilitation. And afterwards we log in as our coordinator, Maria. And a coordinator does the screening results and select it as positive or negative. So in this case, we select the positive screening result. So we click on that. And the patient Peter Sanders can now be assigned to a doctor. So we assign Peter Sanders to a doctor. Barış Özkan is assigned to patient Peter Sanders. And afterwards, we log out from the coordinator and log in as Barış Özkan. We sign in. And here we can see two pages, calendar and view patient. Calendar one is about the feature, and here we have to select view patients. And here we select a treatment plan for Peter Sanders. So we assign a treatment plan. Here we can select a standard program. So in this case, we have to select post-traumatic stress disorder. So we select it. And then the standard activities are shown on the right, which can be seen here. So first we remove the psychotherapy, and afterwards we add the hypnotherapy. So we save it and change the activity name to hypnotherapy, and select the date as 5th of August and period as 1 and number of repetitions as 4. So we then add the activity, and here the activity is shown as the activity name, start date, number of repetitions, and period. And if we try again, an error occurs. So yeah, this is our first live demo.